Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will introduce you to the 135-inch COB foldable all-in-one LED display, a portable display screen designed for quality, convenience, and versatility. At 135 inches, it boasts a large display screen with full flip COB packaging, featuring 10,000:1 high contrast quality for clear video images at a low energy cost. The anti-scratch, anti-static display is moisture and impact resistant for easy daily maintenance and peace of mind during transportation. A large display demands large storage and transport protection, but it doesn't mean it has to be bulky and difficult. The foldable all-in-one LED features, you guessed it, 2 inward folding sides for compact travel, ideal for rapid deployment and cost-saving labor. Take a look at this clip to see how easy it is to transport the display. Additionally, you can use the 180-degree foldable design to adjust the viewing angle accordingly, great for participants or attendees viewing from awkward angles. Speaking of convenient viewing, the foldable all-in-one LED features an electronic mount that can be remotely adjusted to lift the display up to 65 centimeters, increasing its versatility from mid-sized offices to larger auditoriums and lecture halls. That way, even the people in the back can get a clear view of the screen. The all-in-one foldable LED display is equipped with a flip camera that automatically flips when not in use, ensuring customer privacy and security. Moreover, it includes Intelligent ID for quick check-in and personnel management during meetings. Intelligent gesture control is also available, allowing for remote page turning and screen capture. This product also features a fingerprint unlock design for fast access and lock screen control, enhancing both the safety and convenience of use. The all-in-one foldable LED display supports Android 11 OS. You can also customize it to include the Windows 11 system. Should you choose this option, the display can seamlessly switch between the 2 operating systems. For meetings and other collaborative activities, the display supports eShare, which allows other devices such as phones, tablets, and laptops to connect with the screen with one click. It also supports a smart split screen function with up to 9 screens displayed simultaneously. Ideal for business meetings, the 135-inch COB foldable all-in-one LED display offers a versatile viewing experience and flexible deployment. It enhances educational and exhibition environments with clear visuals and easy adjustments for any setting. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, I'm your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.